solve the equation 4x divided by 7 minus 2 equal to x minus 1 all divided by 3. If you can solve this, you see that this question is having fraction in them, right? That is 4x divided by 7 is a fraction, and then x minus 1 divided by 3 too is a fraction. So what we're going to do here is we first have to find the LCM of the denominators in the fractions, and then we multiply the LCM by each term in this equation question, right? So let's move on and then solve it. So we are given 4x divided by 7 minus 2, and that is equal to what? X minus 1 all divided by 3. So you've got to know that we have fraction here, we have fraction here, and these are the denominators given to us in the fraction. So what we're going to do is to find the LCM of these denominators. Now, by LCM, we mean the least or the lowest common multiple of the given numbers, right? Let's take 3. Now, when we take 3, we have to find the multiples of 3. So we have 3, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and the rest, right? Now let's come to 7. Multiples of 7. We have 7, we have 14, we have 21, we have 28, we have 35, and the rest. Now looking at the multiples of 3 and 7, we have to find the numbers which are common, okay, to the multiples of 3 and 7. We have 7 here, we don't have 7 here. We have 14 here, we don't have 14 here. We have 21, we have 21. So 21 is the first common multiple for 3 and 7. We have 28, we don't have 28 here. We have 35, there is no 35. So that means the first or the least or the lowest common multiple for 3 and 7 is what? 21. So our LCM now becomes what? 21. So this is what you're going to use to solve the question, right? Let me clean this one. That is not part of what we are doing, but this helps you to find the LCM of the given numbers. Now that we've known the LCM to be 21, we multiply it by each term in the question, right? So we have 21 multiplying 4x divided by 7 minus 21 multiplying 2 equal to 21 multiplying the whole of x minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, now let me put them in a bracket for you so that you will not get confused, right? Okay, now here 21 divides 7 give us what? 3. So 7 can divide 21 3. We also come here, 3 can divide 21 how many times? 7. So now what's left here is 3 multiplying 4x minus 21 multiplying 2, which is equal to 7 multiplying x minus 1. I hope you're following. Let's proceed. Now 3 multiply 4 gives us what? 12. So 3 multiply 4x gives us 12x minus 21 multiply 2 gives us what? 42, which is equal to 7 multiply x gives us 7x. 7 multiply minus 1 gives us what? Minus 7. Because 7 is multiplying those in the bracket, and there are 2 terms in this bracket. So we multiply 7 by each term, okay? So we have 7x minus 7. Now let's proceed from here. Now that we've reached here, the next thing to do is to write all those having x in them at one side of the equation, and then those that are not having x in them at the other side of the equation. That is what I used to say, simply put, group like terms, right? Good, but in this case we are focusing on the x. So let's take it as I'm writing those having x here. Now I have 12x. I want to send the 7x from the right hand side to the left. So it's positive. So when it comes here, it will be what? Negative. I have negative 7x, which is equal to, I came to meet negative 7 here already. So you send the negative 42 to this side. Now it becomes what? Positive. So we have positive 42. 12x minus 7x give us what? It's left with 5x here, which is equal to negative 7 plus 42 gives what? 35. Now, we want x. We don't want 5x. So we divide this side by 5. And we do the same thing to this side since it's in equation form. Now, 5 divides 5 is what? 1. 1 multiply x gives us what? X, which is equal to 35 divided by 5 gives what? 7. So this becomes our final results that we get for the question. 4x divided by 7 minus 2 equal to x minus 1 divided by 3. The result is what? X is equal to 7.